Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jonathan Coates here, and in today's free training, I'm going to be sharing with you what I believe to be underrated yet advanced software that I stumbled across about 3.5 years ago. And I found it again as I was digging through old archives in my business tool. And what the software does is it generates high quality email sequences for your autoresponder campaigns. So you can literally just copy and paste them and put them directly into your newsletter or your autoresponder sequence, or you can put them on a notepad and save it for later and just make a couple of tweaks here and there. You can change the tonality of the emails. And what it does is it generates these questionnaires. So I'm going to show you here. This is the dashboard, and the software is called Email Copy Dino, and it gives you a lot of different options. So if I was to click on create an email, you notice it gives me these options to choose from. So it got list nurturing, webinar emails, affiliate promotions, discount offers, re-engagement, cart abandonment, product launches, business to business code emails, joint venture invite emails, and even the soap opera sequences that got popularized by Russell Brunson. So I really like this because it kind of saves a lot of time, especially most copywriters know that it takes about a couple of hours to research and dig, depending on if we're entering a new market or not, just to research the information and put together a good newsletter. It's not only persuasive, but converts as well. So the cool thing about this, once you click on create an email, you just pick any one of these options. Say if you just want to re-engage with your subscribers, I'm just going to choose this one. And then I just click on continue, and then it'll ask me to choose my tone. Now I have the basic plan, so I'm only going to have standard, but it's really cool. But basically standard is you can sell without appealing too aggressive or too soft. So just continue, and then it'll ask you your name, Jonathan Coates. Okay, so from here, it'll basically ask you some questions. So the first thing it'll do, it'll have you fill out some information. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my name in, my name, and then my tagline. So here it's gonna ask me my tagline, like, a CEO, etc. I'm gonna leave this blank. So right here, it's gonna ask you what your experience level is. Just put business consultant. Why did your subscribers sign up to your list? How to generate traffic and increase sales. Continue. I'm just going to ask you like the name of your product. I'm just going to use an example, the affiliate Dojo training membership course. So what does this product do? Make a full time income. So who is my target audience? This product is for you if you are a business owner. I have some frustrations faced by my customers. So without using my product or service, they will find it difficult. Okay, so accelerate their affiliate marketing efforts online. I'm just gonna put that in there for now. Click continue, and then this is the last page is what is the name of the first bonus that you will bribe your subscribers to come back? 24-hour missions. Okay, so it says how will your subscribers benefit from bonus one? So these answers are all going to go in, and you'll see how it just generates an email. It's pretty remarkable once you see how it turns out. So how will your subscribers benefit from the bonus one? So with this bonus, you will be able to generate sales in the same, so potentially generate commissions in the same exact day that you implement this strategy. Next question is, what is the name of your second bonus? And I just put in a limitless traffic formula. And what format is the second bonus in? It's the same thing. It's a course. It's asked me what my subscribers will benefit from on the second bonus. So I just put learn how I generated up to 2,846 laser targeted leads in 23 hours using 100% free strategies. And now that we got all three of these pages completed and we answered all of these questions, we're just going to click on write email sequence and watch this. So now the software is creating one. As you see, it happened very, very fast. It's giving me 5 different emails, and it just asked me to choose from the subject lines for each of the emails, then click on save email button at the bottom before I start editing them. As you can see, it has the basic format of a copywriting email. The copy is able to breathe. Spaces in between the sentences is easy to read. There's a link at the bottom. There's a link at the top. And I'm just going to go ahead and read this. So, hey, first name, it's been a long time. Not from me, but from your end. Yes, you haven't been opening my emails recently now. Keep in mind, we clicked on the option to re-engage with our subscribers. So that's the style of this message. And so, not from me, but from your end. Yes, you haven't been opening my emails recently. And I was beginning to wonder if everything was okay from your end. I hope nothing too serious is preventing you from opening and reading my emails. Whatever it is, I hope it gets sorted out so we can get back on track, because you really missed too many wonderful opportunities these past few days. An example is the launch of the affiliate dojo, which caused a lot of excitement amongst the early users. You can see it here, and this is where you put the link for the affiliate dojo or whatever it is that you're offering. You see, it just makes it instantly right from scratch. This is such a convenient software to have. The launch discount has already expired, but I managed to get you a special code but that's if you use it today, as you're going to be active only for the next 24 hours. Now you can change this depending on circumstances. This entire email sequence right here can be completely tweaked, and you can rewrite the email. You have the option to rewrite it as well, depending on your plan. You got coupon codes, etc., etc., and it has like the basic format for any type of like editor. And then you have different so they got different email headers, they got different subject lines. Depending on your plan, you have more options. You got email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5. And what you can do is you can just save these emails. So I'm just going to go back and click on email 1, and then I'm going to click on save email. And now I actually have it in my saved emails over here. So if I ever want to re-engage with my subscriber and I need an instant template that I can go to and just copy and paste and move things around and change it and tweak it, that's the basic format right there. And that's really exciting stuff. And as you can see, you don't have to stare at the computer screen for hours and hours and hours just trying to figure out how to put together a simple email marketing newsletter for your subscribers. Now, this is just a basic newsletter right here. You can add images. You can put it on a template that comes from your autoresponder services, like any one of their templates that they have in there. So that's why I like this so much. This is a really good software. I think that you should check this out. It's called Email Copywriting. I'm not affiliated by any means with this. I can't even find the affiliate program, like the affiliate. I tried to find like an affiliate link, but I can't find it anywhere. But regardless of the fact, I highly recommend this because if you're a copywriter, you know just how much time it takes in order to successfully put out a good newsletter or create a good high converting email sequence. So these are a great opportunity. Again, if you click on create an email, you got webinar emails you can use to invite your subscribers to attend a webinar, affiliate promotions you can use to promote a product, services that are owned by other people, cart abandonments for folks who are on your cart but they left or they just forgot, etc., etc. Discount offers, you can promote different discounts and time limited offers. You can use these emails here, the joint venture invite emails, to invite joint venture partners to do affiliate product launches with you. You got actual product launches you can use to do a relaunch or an actual product launch, business to business, re-engagement, cart abandonment, soap opera syncers. And so this is a really cool software and it's very simple. As you can see, there's not too much going on with it. You got some training videos, you got a couple of videos that they have for you. And on the basic dashboards, you have a tutorial right here in the middle if you have any issues navigating this pretty simple and intuitive interface. All right, so that'd be it for this video. I hope you enjoy. This is a remarkable software that you can use for your internet marketing efforts and your email marketing campaigns, for your newsletters. It spits out instantly generated emails just like that, so long as you got the answers and the information for your business. As you can see, I just answered the questions and then it generated 5 emails for me just like that, talking about what I put in those answers. All right, so with that said, I hope you enjoy. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website in the description, jonathancoates.net. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.